What up, hotheads? I'm Henry, and this is Blaze the Roof. This week we're celebrating 4th of July. So happy 244th birthday to the United States of America. So now, since 4th of July has a lot of fireworks, unless they're banned in your county, sometimes fires do start, and sometimes you have to sound the alarm. So we're going to be reviewing the 7-pack that my friend Megan bought for me. I think partly out of just being mean, because some of these sauces have pepper extract in them, so they're not going to be very fun to eat. And we'll see what happens, but it's called the Sound the Alarm 7-pack. So we're going to get through 7 sauces really quickly. So we're not going to cover ingredients. We're not going to have a special ingredient. We're just going to get to a little bit about the company and the city. The company is called Modern Gourmet Foods, as opposed to Ancient Gourmet Foods, right?
Man, you
I don't even know if ancient cuisines were considered gourmet, so it's kind of redundant in a way. But the brand partners, so they actually are kind of like a subsidy, or I don't know. They're associated with like Godiva, Nestle, and Captain Morgan, right? So the city that it's actually made in is Irvine, California, or that's distributed from. The product is actually made in China, which goes on to add a little bit more apprehensiveness. As I mentioned before, the city it's made in is Irvine, California. It's named after pioneer James Irvine, and such movies as Demolition Man, Transformers, and Eagle Eye were filmed there. Famous people that either live there or are from there are Will Ferrell, Mark McGuire, Rebecca Black from Friday fame, right? That song, Friday. I used to love torturing people by playing that song. And apparently she came out as queer recently, so good for her. You know, I think she got a lot of ridicule for that song, but you know what? Good for her for putting it out there, right? So, also bands Rage Against the Machine and Thrice are from there. Apparently, I had no idea, but Rage Against the Machine is apparently political. I had no idea listening to it all this time. Seriously, people? All right. So the packaging, right? We're not going to go over all 7 of them, but this comes in a nice little fire truck, right? So we got little foam, little styrofoam at the bottom for the wheels so it has traction. And again, yeah, see, sound the alarm. So the fire truck theme goes hand in hand with 4th of July. So, all right, it's pretty neat. Well, I guess we're gonna get into these sauces here, but before we do that, let's hear from this week's sponsor. When you're away from home, you worry if everything is okay there. Well, now you can rest easy with the OK Alert app. This app monitors your home with the use of sensors and sends an alert every 5 minutes to notify you that everything is okay. And don't worry about missing an alert. Notifications can't be disabled. How's that for peace of mind? The OK Alert app. Everything is okay, and you know it. Now let's get on to the bottles. As I mentioned, there's 7 of them, so here we go one by one. Alright, so the first one is called Ignite. Alright. It's a salsa verde. By the way, the fucking packaging on this shit was so hard to open in general that I should have already had that done. Whoever designed that packaging was just a sadist, so. Smells like green salsa. Oh, doesn't say anything else really about it. Let's see, does it have just jalapeno, garlic, onion, and a lot of chemicals. It's even got caramel for color, so that just does not sound good at all. I'm only gonna get a little bit. This does not, because I don't want to eat a shitload of hot sauce, but alright. Just looks very garbagey. It's not even, ugh. This is not going to be fun. Alright. Wow, that's salty. Holy hell. Oh, God. And then you get a little tinge. A little bit of jalapeno, but wow, that's just like lime and salt. Oh, God. Ignite. Makes me want to ignite this bottle on fire. Fuck, that's terrible. Oh, I would not recommend that one at all. Oh, that's salty. The second sauce we have here is Blaze. It just says red chili. And there's a guy with, I assume it's fire. It doesn't really look like fire. It's probably more like halitosis, but alright, see what this is like. Ugh, like the other one, it's just not. These do not look good. It just looks like see-through. It does not look really good at all. This looks like watered down Tabasco sauce. This is probably not gonna be very good either. Yeah, so not as salty as the other one. Not much heat either, but does have a bit of salt to it. It does taste like hot sauce, but again, not a good one. Would not recommend that one, no. Not at all. Alright. Blaze. Just the fact that he even shares a word from the name of my show and it sucks that bad, yeah. Not good. So the next one is Smoke Eater. It's a smoky bourbon pepper sauce. Looking at the ingredients, there's not anything that indicates that it would have any, that has anything that gives it a smoky flavor. So again, it's probably all just done with artificial flavors, because again, these things are chock full of like preservatives and crap. I can tell you what, after eating so many good sauces that are made from natural sources, to go back and having something like this is very torturous. God, this even smells like medicine. Ugh. God, do they put liquid smoke in here or something? I don't know. Again, see, it's like see-through. It's garbage looking. Ugh, this is not good. Hope you're all having fun with this, by the way. And that one has a little bit more heat than the last one. Does have a smoke flavor in there, but again, probably very artificial. Has a little bit more spice. It's not like a medium or like a middleweight, but smoky bourbon. But yet the ingredients did not say it had bourbon. Smoke Eater, more like smoke blower. Like it's blowing smoke up my ass. So no, not good at all either. Alright, so the next sauce here is Raging Inferno Habanero Hot Sauce. I anticipate this one's going to be pretty bad because it has chili extract in it. I have a feeling these sauces are going to make me sick tomorrow. These are not quality sauces, so. Alright, these are not quality sauces. They even have a gooey consistency to them. It's bad. I do this shit so you all don't have to. It doesn't smell like much, so I bet you it's all heat from extract. Alright, let's see how it goes. The hell does that have peach in it? Had a peachy flavor to it. If any of those, actually that one might be my favorite out of these so far. We'll just see how it goes. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so this next one's called the Backdraft. Backdraft hot sauce. Let's see what it entails for us. Again, these all look like liquidy, clear. I mean, there's like xanthan gum in them, which is supposed to keep it from separating, but I think it's still separated. I shook it too, but there's obvious separation in these. It's orange in color. It's probably not very good. Let's see what it is. Again, that one was like sweet and then sour. Very, oh god, very sour. Ooh, a lot of salt on that one. Had a pumpkin in it. Lemon juice. Concentrated lemon juice. Concentrated chili extract. So again, not much heat there either. So these sauces aren't very hot. They are not a good way to get people into hot sauce either though. Oh, they're pretty bad. Alright, this next sauce is called the bombero. That's Spanish for fireman. It's a Mexican style hot sauce. I wonder what style in Mexico it actually is. Ugh, these all look disgusting. God, I wish you guys could see it. I don't think you can capture it on camera, but it's just, it looks like that plum sauce that you get with egg rolls, but just watered down. Ew, it's it's pretty terrible. All right, here we go. It tastes like the other ones. These are horrible sauces. Taco Bell has better sauce than this. Whew. Well, it puts the bomb in bombero, right? Well, not good. All right. And one more sauce. I don't even know why I bother. It's gonna be garbage as well. This one's called the Firehouse. It's got a Dalmatian on it. A dog probably wouldn't even eat this crap. Ugh. I seriously would rather get packaged from fucking Taco Bell than eat this shit. This shit's terrible. Alright, here we go. They all kind of taste the same. This one has a little bit more heat. Actually, whoa, that one is creeping me up a bit. Whoa, actually, that's extract. Oh, that one actually has a late hit. That one's burning pretty much towards the back like a habanero, but so that was the hottest one out of all the other ones, but that one might approach middleweight. It just caught me off guard. It does have extract in it, so yeah, I think it's that. Alright. So all in all, don't buy this shit. It's terrible. All the sauces are just god awful. Yeah. They're as bad as the SF sauces. It's just not good. But again, what do you expect when you buy these things like at a Walmart or something like that, right? So, okay. So I'm gonna have to cleanse the palate, and I'm gonna do that with the sauce that's from the Heatonist called the Classic. It's basically their take on a regular classic Tabasco or hot sauce. It's the first sauce usually in the hot ones whenever they do the wing challenge. And so I've heard a lot of good things about it, but again, their Los Calientes really disappointed me. But I love the last dab. Let's see what this one does. So, all right. So all of you, be safe this 4th of July. I know it's going to be interesting with if you're in Florida or in Texas, because again, with the spike, a lot of places closed. Whatever you do, be smart. If you do pop fireworks, be safe, be careful, right? Okay, once again, I'm Henry, and remember, spice up your life. Take care.